High-paying jobs without a degree. If you're looking for career guidance, motivation, and real opportunities that can transform your life, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're breaking down high-paying jobs you can start without a college degree. Whether you're switching careers, restarting after a break, or beginning from scratch, this list will open doors to success. Let's jump in. 1. Why you don't need a degree to succeed. Many people believe success comes only from a college diploma. But that's not true anymore. Companies today care more about skills, experience, results, and attitude, not just paper qualifications. With technology expanding and industries growing rapidly, there's a massive demand for skilled talent, skills you can learn through certification, online courses, apprenticeships, or hands-on practice. Here's the truth. A degree can help, but it's not the only path. Your commitment, creativity, work ethic, and ability to learn fast can open doors to some of the highest-paying roles out there. Before we go into job-by-job explanations, I want you to comment below. Backhand index pointing right. Do you think degrees are still necessary for success? Why or why not? I'll be replying to comments personally. So don't forget to join the conversation. 2. High-paying job. Commercial truck driver, CDL driver. Let's start with one of the most in-demand and well-paid jobs worldwide. Commercial truck driving. Why it pays well. Trucking is the backbone of global trade. Every product, from groceries to electronics, hits the road at some point. The industry always needs committed drivers. Salary range. $55,000 to $120,000 plus per year. Top performers and long-haul drivers earn even more. Requirements. Right arrow, no degree required. Right arrow, you need a CDL license. Right arrow, training can take as little as 4 to 8 weeks. Growth opportunities. Owner-operator, earn up to $200,000 per year. Specialized transport, hazmat, oversized loads, temperature controlled. Why it's a great job. You're paid for your time and discipline. No office politics. No degree pressure, just skill, consistency, and responsibility. Interaction. If you had the chance to travel across countries and get paid for it, would you do it? Comment yes or no below. 3. High-paying job. Electrician. Electricians are essential, respected, and earn excellent money. Salary range. $50,000 to $110,000 plus yearly depending on location, specialization, and experience. Why it pays well. Electricity powers every home, business, and factory. The demand for skilled electricians grows every year, especially with smart homes and renewable energy. Requirements. Apprenticeship training certification, not a degree. Learn on the job and earn while learning. Top specializations. Industrial electrician, solar power technician, commercial building installation, automation systems. What makes it attractive? Job security, high-paying overtime opportunity to start your own business. 4. High-paying job. HVAC technician. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning experts are always needed. Salary range. $45,000 to $120,000 plus per year. Why it pays well. People cannot survive extreme temperatures without proper heating and cooling. This is a skill-based industry with high demand, especially in cities with extreme climates. Requirements. Technical training, 6 to 12 months. Certification, no degree required. Specialties. Refrigeration, smart HVAC systems, industrial cooling systems, energy-efficient installation. Why this career is booming. Businesses need maintenance contracts year-round. Homes need servicing. You never run out of work. Interaction. What climate do you live in, hot or cold? Type hot or cold. 5. High-paying job. Software developer, no degree required. Yes, you can become a software developer without a degree. Salary range. $70,000 to $200,000 plus. Big tech companies hire non-degree developers if you show skill. Why it pays well. Tech drives everything, apps, websites, payments, streaming, ride-sharing, AI, and more. Skilled developers solve problems and build solutions companies desperately need. Requirements. Learn coding through boot camps or online courses, build a strong portfolio practice, create apps, learn continuously. Popular skills. Python, JavaScript, React, SQL, cloud services. AWS, Azure, GCP. Why it's perfect for non-degree learners. Your skill speaks louder than a diploma. Many top developers are self-taught. 6. High-paying job. UX/UI designer. Creativity meets technology here. Salary range. $60,000 to $150,000 plus. Why it pays well. Every business needs a clean, modern, user-friendly website or app. UX/UI designers shape digital experiences. What you need. Design portfolio tools like Figma, Adobe XD, Canva, no degree required. Why it's great. It's creative, flexible, remote-friendly, and well-paid. 7. High-paying job. Freelance digital marketer. one of the fastest-growing online careers. Salary range: $50,000 to $200,000 plus. Top freelancers can make $10,000 per month. Why it pays well. Businesses need visibility. If you can help brands grow, drive traffic, sell more, and get customers, you're golden. Skills needed: SEO, social media, ads, content creation, email, marketing, analytics. Why you don't need a degree. All skills can be learned from online courses, YouTube, or practice. Best part: you can work from home, travel, or start your own agency. Interaction: which job do you prefer, creative or technical? Comment: creative or technical. 8. High-paying job: construction manager. Surprisingly, many construction managers began as workers or apprentices, no degree needed. Salary range: $65,000 to $150,000 plus. Why it pays well. Construction is booming, and skilled managers are essential to coordinate operations, supervise staff, and ensure safety. What helps you grow. Experience, leadership, skills, certifications, not degrees. Why this job is powerful. Real estate and infrastructure never stop. 9. High-paying job: police officer/detective. A strong public service career with solid earning potential. Salary range: $50,000 to $120,000 plus. Why it pays well. Risk, responsibility, and skill-intensive work. Requirements: training academy, physical fitness, no degree required. Varies by region. Growth areas: Detective K-9 Unit, Cybercrime SWAT Traffic Unit. 10. High-paying job: air traffic controller. This job is intense but highly rewarding. Salary range: $80,000 to $200,000 plus. Why it pays well. Air traffic controllers guide aircraft safely. It requires focus and strong decision-making. Requirements: pass training academy, strict aptitude tests, no 4-year degree required in many countries. Why it's amazing. High salary, amazing benefits, and job security. 11. High-paying job: real estate agent. Perfect for confident communicators. Salary range: $50,000 to $300,000 plus. Commission-based. Why it pays well. You earn commissions from property sales, meaning your income is unlimited. Requirements: real estate license, networking, no degree. Why this career booms. People are always buying or selling homes. Interaction: would you try real estate? Type sell in the comments if yes. 12. High-paying job: e-commerce business owner. Start your online store with Amazon FBA, Shopify, Etsy, dropshipping. Salary range: $60,000 to $500,000 plus. Depends on scale. Why it pays well. You can sell globally, automate processes, and scale quickly. Requirements: product knowledge, marketing skills, no degree required. 13. High-paying job: sales representative. Salespeople make money through base salary plus incentives. Salary range: $45,000 to $250,000 plus. Why it pays well. Companies reward performance. If you can bring in customers, you're valuable. Best industries: pharmaceuticals, tech, software, medical equipment, real estate, insurance. Why it's perfect. Your personality, not your degree, drives your success. 14. High-paying job: plumber. Another highly respected trade with strong earnings. Salary range: $50,000 to $120,000 plus. Why it pays well. Plumbing is essential. Homes, hotels, hospitals, and factories need constant installation and repair. Requirements: apprenticeship, certification, no degree. 15. High-paying job: elevator technician. One of the highest-paying skilled trades. Salary range: $70,000 to $150,000 plus. Why it pays well. Elevators need regular maintenance, and technicians require specialized skills. Requirements: apprenticeship, on-the-job training. Why it's excellent. Steady work, high demand, low competition. 16. High-paying job: chef. Passion plus skill equals big earning potential. Salary range: $40,000 to $150,000 plus. Top chefs earn much more. Why it pays well. The culinary world rewards creativity, leadership, and talent, not degrees. Growth paths: restaurant chef, personal chef, luxury catering, food entrepreneur. 17. How to get started: no degree, no problem. Here's your roadmap. Step 1. Identify your interest: technical, creative, physical, business-oriented. Step 2. Learn skills. Use YouTube, Coursera, Udemy, Skillshare, apprenticeships. Step 3. Build experience. Start small. Volunteer. Freelance. Practice. Step 4. Create a portfolio. Your work speaks for you. Step 5. Apply smart. Use LinkedIn, Indeed, company websites, freelancing platforms. Step 6. Stay consistent. Skills beat degrees, but consistency beats talent. Listen, your future does not depend on a piece of paper. It depends on your determination, effort, and courage to start. Today, you learned about real careers that people use to build successful, high-income lives without a degree. If they can do it, why not you? Pick one job from this list. Learn the skill. Practice daily. Stay focused. Your dream career is not years away. It's just one decision away. If you found value today, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more powerful career content. Thanks for watching. And remember, your journey starts now.